discover a more elegant solution, or notice hidden connections. Hello, have fun as you go through this lesson on Greatest Common Divisor or Highest Common Factor. They are quite easy.
Introduction. Given the following set of numbers, find the GCD or HCF by listing factors. Worked out examples. 36, 54, 72. 36 has the following factors: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. 54 has the following factors: 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. To find GCD or HCF of a set of numbers using factorization, 1. Express each number as a product of prime factor. 2. Find the common prime factors. And 3. Multiply the common prime factors together to give GCD or HCF. Find the GCD or HCF for the following set. The concept of GCD or HCF is applicable in many real-life situations. Application to real-life situations. Given two containers of capacity 20 liters and 30 liters respectively, find the capacity of largest jug that can be used to fill each of containers exactly. Solution. 20 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 30 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Common factors are 2 and 5. GCD is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 4 ribbons of colors red, blue, green and yellow of lengths 18 meters, 24 meters, 36 meters, and 42 meters respectively are to be used for wrapping a number of birthday gifts. The owner wishes to cut them into shorter pieces of equal length. Find the greatest possible length if no ribbon is left over.